Hey there, Shopify owners! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Dawn theme, Shopify's sleek, modern default theme to learn how to showcase your products using the featured collection section. Whether you're new to Shopify or just want to polish your store's homepage, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head over to the online store and click Themes. Find your Dawn theme here. If it's not published yet, make sure to hit publish so we're all working on the live version. Now click Customize to open the theme editor. You'll see a preview of your homepage. On the left sidebar, look for the Add Section button. Click it, then select Featured Collection from the drop down. And then boom, your new section pops into the preview. But right now it's empty, so let's fix that. In the sidebar under Content, click Select Collection. Here you can pick an existing collection or create a new one. Pro tip is to use a collection that highlights your best sellers or seasonal items. Let's create a new one. Here, let's add a title, for example, Summer Collection, and then I'm just going to add a short description right here. Let's choose a collection type and then select Conditions. Now, let's save it. Hold on, let's not forget to add the product price. I'm just gonna say 400 and then hit save. Now let's go back and reload the page so it would show up. In the collection section, let's select our new collection. Once selected, your products will load into the section. Now let's tweak the layout. In the featured collection, you will see options for how products are displayed. Play with these to match your brand's vibe. Let's change the heading style and then show the description. You can change the description style as well, but I'm gonna set it to body style. Then let me just work on designing this for a while. Of course, in this part, you can choose or play around these features as you like. Now scroll down to image ratio. This controls how product images are cropped. Square works for most shops, but if your products are taller, like bottles or apparel, choose portrait to avoid awkward stretching. Always use high quality images here because blurry pics can hurt your credibility. Next, toggle show secondary image if you want a hover effect that reveals another photo. Great for showing alternate angles or product variations. Then decide if you want product titles, prices, and quick add buttons visible. Keep these on to let customers browse without clicking through. Don't forget mobile users as well. Click the mobile icon at the top of the preview to see how this section looks on smaller screens. Adjust the number of columns under mobile layout to ensure it's easy to scroll. Finally, hit save in the top right corner. Refresh your live store to see your featured collection in action. Now that your featured collection is set up, let's talk about how to drive traffic and maximize sales with some smart promotion strategies. First, announce your collection on social media. Share high quality images or even a short video showcasing your products on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Use engaging captions and trending hashtags to increase visibility. If you have a mailing list, send out a newsletter highlighting your new collection with a special offer. Next, run limited time promotions. Consider offering a discount or free shipping on products within your featured collection for a short period. Flash sales create urgency and encourage immediate purchases. You can also add a banner on your homepage promoting the collection with a message like limited time 15% off our summer collection. Another powerful strategy is leveraging influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to showcase your featured products in their content. A simple product review or styling video can drive traffic and boost sales significantly. If you're running ads, highlight your featured collection in Facebook and Google Ads. Use carousel ads to showcase multiple products from your collection and direct traffic straight to your store. Retargeting ads can also remind visitors about the products they viewed, increasing the chances of conversion. Lastly, use pop ups and announcement bars on your website to grab attention. A small pop up with a discount code or an announcement bar at the top of your site that says, New collection is dropped, shop now, can make a big impact. By actively promoting your featured collection, you'll not only attract more visitors but also increase your chances of converting them into loyal customers. Try these strategies and watch your sales grow. And that's it. You've just elevated your homepage with a professional, shopper friendly showcase. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment if you'd like to deep dive into customizing Dawn's color schemes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!